Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at what we'd confidently call the best cat tree multi-level 72-inch. The Feandrea 81.1-inch large cat tower in smoky gray. If you're looking to spoil your feline family members with an all-in-one vertical playground, you're going to want to stick around for this. This Feandrea cat tree is no ordinary piece of furniture. Standing at a towering 81.1 inches tall, this XXL cat tower is designed for cats who love to climb, scratch, hide, and lounge in plush luxury. With 5 separate levels and short 12 to 16-inch distances between them, it's ideal for adventurous climbers as well as kittens and elderly cats who need a little help getting around. The design is made to accommodate multiple cats, between 2 to 7, and offers something for every personality. There are 2 padded perches for those who love high vantage points, 2 cozy enclosed caves for the shy ones who prefer privacy, a fluffy basket, and a hammock that cradles them gently while they nap. On top of that, it includes 2 playful pom-poms and a spare one without a bell for quieter playtime. Whether your cat is a lounger, a napper, or a climber, they'll find their favorite spot on this plush-covered multi-level villa. Now, let's talk durability. The entire structure is made from sturdy particle board and is reinforced with a large, stable base. It even includes an anti-tip kit to secure the tower to the wall, ensuring safety and stability as your cats jump and play. This tower supports up to 6 cats at a maximum of 15.4 pounds each. That's peace of mind for cat parents. One of the standout features is the number of scratching options. With 13 scratching posts and a dedicated scratching ramp that doubles as a ladder. Your cats can scratch to their heart's content and keep their claws healthy, all while saving your furniture from destruction. Every level offers access to at least 1 scratching post, encouraging healthy activity and natural feline behavior. Assembly is another area where the Feandrea cat tree shines. It comes with step-by-step instructions and clearly labeled parts, so you can expect a frustration-free setup experience. No complicated tools, no confusing manuals, just simple construction, even if you're doing it solo. A quick once-over with a lint roller or vacuum keeps this cat condo looking fresh and tidy, no matter how much fur gets left behind. That means less time cleaning and more time enjoying the company of your cats as they explore their vertical world. This model comes in a classy smoky gray color that blends effortlessly with modern or minimalist interior styles. Its compact footprint of 23.6 by 19.7 inches makes it suitable for apartments, condos, or homes with limited floor space while still offering vertical excitement. If you're looking for a modern, tall, durable, and highly interactive cat tree that keeps your pets entertained, relaxed, and active, the Feandrea 81.1-inch cat tree is exactly what you need. Your cats will thank you, and your furniture will too. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert product reviews every week. See you in the next one.